smaller yet bold clients. Those who are willing to place faith on our expertise based on our individual and collective track record, integrity, and enduring commitment. 3 decades later, here we are, part of an organization of trailblazers with over 7,000 personnel, having evolved to become a diversified construction firm, building remarkable structures and architectural marvels in Mega Manila. Today, we add a new chapter to our journey as we unveil our plans for the very first residential development under our own Datem brand. But before we move forward, allow me to backtrack a bit and talk about what has taken us this far. We started with a vision to make an indelible mark in the construction industry. We dared to dream, to build on each other's trust, and face challenges with noble objectives. Throughout the years, we remain committed to live by our core values of integrity, where we adhere to high principles and professional standards as individuals, as teams, and as a company. The value of excellence through technology, we relentlessly pursue continual improvement in our projects, products, processes, and in our services. The value of innovation, where we will encourage generating new ideas at every level in the organization. And most importantly, is an unparalleled value of malasakit, where we continue to show unwavering passion in our work and compassion towards our peers, our colleagues, and our country. Through all this, we are most proud to have walked through the challenging yet rewarding career journey in the company of our beloved family, our dearest friends, and our dedicated people. Truly, Datem has been adequately equipped, strengthened, and prepared these past 30 years for bigger and challenging tasks ahead.